What's up, Phillyphyll gang? How y'all doing? Everybody, how are y'all doing? Eat with Phillyphyll gang. EWPPG. So, they're not open to the public, but all you do is call in, place your order, pay for it, and you can come pick it up. So I came and got me some king crab legs from Floyd's Seafood Market for tonight. All right, let's go get ready for Friday night seafood. What's up, Phillyphyll gang? EWPPG. Yes, yes, yes. Boy, we have us a feast tonight. Let's just bless this food. Bless this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. Amen. How y'all doing on this Friday? How are y'all doing? Look at this. It's Friday. We quarantined. We curfewed. We ain't got shiggity to do. So, honey, let's just have ourselves a good old king crab seafood boil and a couple of eggs. That's all we have, and my fresh-made Phillyphyll spicy sauce. This is spicy right here. Okay. Gonna have us a margarita. Yep, it's Friday. We done worked all week. Ooh. I got so many crab legs up there, y'all can barely see me. So what's going on? It's the weekend. What are y'all doing? Hopefully y'all are in the house practicing social distancing, right? I know that's what y'all doing. Then you're going to enjoy this feast with me. Okay. Let me taste this margarita. What flavor was this? Margarita, I think. It tastes all right. I want y'all to see the sauce. Look at that fresh made sauce. Y'all see that? Okay, let's just go ahead and get us a good old thumbnail real quick. Ooh, they sticky. Let's do one more. Okay. Oh, so many of y'all, I don't even know where to start. I got my scissors over here, napkins. I got me a pan to put the shells in. Okay, let's just get started. Can y'all see them? Ooh, look at that. Oh, that meat is so sweet. Oh, I'm trying to see if I can break it here. Have y'all had king crab legs? They're the best. Expensive, but delicious. Well, Kroger's has them for $25.99 a pound. I got a couple of these at Floyd's Seafood Market too. They're $30 a pound there. Ooh, this stuff flying everywhere. But it's worth it. Okay. I don't want to leave none of this good meat up in here. Ugh. I hope y'all can see pretty good. I didn't know it was going to be this tall. I was going for the shock effect. And I might have just boxed myself in over here. For real. That's okay. We're going to make it do what it do. As long as I don't mess up the lighting. Oh, goodness gracious. I've been waiting on this all week. I knew I was going to have this tonight. And I've been waiting. It didn't come out the way I wanted it. But it's okay. Ooh, this sauce is hot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to put this in here. I'm not gonna leave any of that. Okay. I want to get all of it out of here. Yeah, so I say, let's just have us a little simple king crab legs and a couple of boiled eggs. And some sauce. That's what I wanted. Last night, what y'all think of that burger from last night? We're going to have to check out them comments. Yeah. See what y'all had to say about the burgers, honey. I'm really struggling with this big old joker. Look at that. Oh, I forgot I got my, I want to hold up a couple of them. I told y'all I tickle myself doing these things. Look at those pretty crab legs. Huge. Okay, let's cut this joker. Ooh, y'all, I want to get it all the way up to the top. Okay, think I got it. Let's see. Now if I can get it to open. Well, y'all can see the crab meat. You can't see me, but you can see the crab meat. Okay. Can y'all see me going in here with it? Oh, that's good. I want to get some of the onions and garlic. Y'all gotta try this sauce. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. And it's already ready for you. All you gotta do is let it simmer for about 20 minutes. You gotta do nothing else. Warm up and eat. Delicious. I'm trying to get down in here and get some of this goodness. Y'all see that? This is so good. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get the rest of this meat out of here. Can't be leaving you in here. That's too much meat. Y'all really can't see me, can you? Okay, guys, I had to rearrange it so y'all could see me a little bit better. I overdid it. What happened to the meat that came out of here? I done lost the meat and everything. Okay. Woo, yeah, I had to. Okay, is this better? I thought so. Yeah, I wanted it to be closer to the camera, but that wasn't gonna work. Hold up, I don't want to leave no meat in here. Okay. Y'all can still see them, right? Look at that. Y'all can see everything. There you go. Now, I done took so many thumbnails. I want to make sure I have a good one. Let me see. Oh. I don't like that hanging off of there. I'm redoing it because I think I had the food up too high. Okay, that's enough. Let's work on this one. Oh, it acts like it wants to come out of there. Well, I'll cut it out. Do some surgery on this joker, honey. We not leaving no meat tonight. Now, this is better. Okay. I don't want to leave nothing in there. Huh. Well, guys, what's up? Another weekend of quarantine. What y'all think about that? You know? Better safe than sorry. Wear your gloves. Ooh. Look at that. Your gloves and your mask. Can y'all see? There you go. Let me get that out of there. Look at that. Woo! All in my hair. Okay, I think I can leave that there. All right, where am I? Okay. Nope, that's not gonna work either. Okay, here we go. I just can't get I can't get it situated over here, huh? Okay. Look at that. Came right out of there. Get that little stuff off of there. Okay. Ooh wee. This sauce is hot. Guys, please get you some king crab legs and order my sauce. I want you to taste what I'm tasting right now. Don't put no seasonings on them. This has all you need. Steam these for about 7 to 10 minutes in hot boiling water. Put a stick of butter in the water and then warm up my sauce. Hey, you ready? Your guest's not gonna know what to do. I'm trying to tell you. EWPPG sauce is what you need in your life. Give it a try. Don't be scared. I want all of this meat out of here, y'all. I sure do. I don't want to leave none of this expensive meat up in here. Okay. I know I haven't used any lemon yet. I like it for the decorations. I really don't need lemon on it, to be honest. I'm just making a mess. But they sitting on a plate. Oh, that's good. Woo, child. Let me see if I can eat one more. These are big. Let me eat another egg. This is what's filling me up. I ate that other egg. Boiled eggs with the sauce. Yes, indeed. Onion and garlic. It's got Saison in it. It sure does. Saison tropical and regular. And that Korean spice called guguchang. I put that in my sauce. Oh my goodness. It makes a difference. Okay. Let's see here. Let me go with. I got so many of them left. I'm trying to. They just everywhere. Okay. Woo. Just cut it up. Gut it up the middle. Like you're cleaning fish. Y'all ever clean fish? Grandfather taught me. Get you a spoon. Get all those scales off of it. And gut it up the belly. Cut that head off. Your girl know how to clean fish. I sure do. I survived. I'm ready for the corona. Go catch me some fish. I'm gonna go catch us some fish. What fell? Oh no. Thought that was one of my crab legs. Don't want to open up here. Okay. Did I get it? I cut it. It just don't want to act right. Y'all look, getting in these things it's a job. Let me tell you. And they hurt. Okay, they hurt. Let me do this. Cut that part off. I'm ready to eat. I wanted it to come out in one piece, but okay. Almost. Kind of shabby. Kind of shabby looking, but I got it out of there. I'm just gonna fold it up and do it like this here. Nobody but me, so I can double dip. Oh, y'all, that's so good. Y'all eat seafood? Everybody eat seafood? I say my daughter don't eat seafood. My son do. He called me right before I was getting ready to film. Got himself a new truck. I'm so happy for him. It's pretty too. A 2020. Don Rico. Serving in the United States Army taking care of us. Okay. Let me see here. I want to get all this little stuff off of him before I go trying to eat on it. Okay. Look at all that meat. Nothing but meat. Back is so big. Let me break this knuckle up. Mmm. Woo. Oh, guys. I can't eat another one. I know I got 5 left. I don't know why I cooked all those things. I can't do it. That's so weird. I'm gonna read us some comments. All right, guys, let's read us some comments, okay? Let's see what y'all had to say about the burger. The homemade cheeseburger last night. My drink, y'all can't see the drink no more, huh? Oh, well. Okay. Sarah Cobb. Hey, Auntie Phyllyphyl. Yes, I'm here watching, and of course, I laughed when you did that old thumbnail. Well, you're gonna really laugh after you see this one. Who is that? Letitia Lewis. Good morning. Good morning. It's nighttime now. You got me hungry this early in the morning. Looks tasty. Have a wonderful day. Yep, this may not get posted to Sunday, but I'm going to try, to Saturday. I'm going to try and post it tonight. Okay, Rose for you. Hi, Phyllyphyl. Your delicious looking homemade burger and fries took me back to my childhood. That meal is much faster than burgers and fries, much tastier than burgers and fries that we buy in restaurants these days. Stay safe and be blessed. It was good, guys. Make your own burger. I'm telling you, hey. Laura Brown, good morning, Phyllyphyl. Looks delicious as always. I cook homemade fries. My son loves them and my hamburger, but he don't like the onions, etc. He wants cheese, not mayo only. You have a blessed day. My kids used to only like ketchup and cheese and ketchup on their burgers. That's all from McDonald's, cheeseburgers. Ashley don't even eat McDonald's anymore now. She likes Chick-fil-A. Letitia again, you're like my sister in my head. Such a sweetheart. Well, thank you. Eva Lambert. Hey, Miss Eva. She said, hi, that food looks so good. I'm going to make that Friday for sure. Never fixed big fries like those. Can't wait to try them. If I was there, I would surely eat the other half of that big, juicy burger. Keep on doing what you're doing. I love your cooking show a lot. I have gotten some great ideas. Well, thank you. I am so glad that I am helping someone that is, I guess you can say that is interesting to some of you guys. K-Way 47, your meal looked delicious. Enjoyed the video. Nothing like homemade meals. I know that's right. Penny, hey Miss Penny, crewed up. Good morning, Phyllyphyl. Your granddaughter sounds so cute when she was singing her little song, Cooking in the Kitchen with Granny. I know. Your burger and fries put my little Burger King to shame. Keep cooking in the kitchen. Have a safe, blessed day. Positive Praise Promoter. My husband and I love that bread. Yes, that bread, oh, it is so good. I got it at the bread store for like 99 cents. It's fresh and good. Sandra Butts. Hey, Phyllyphyl, ain't nothing like a homemade burger like mine with bacon and blue cheese crumbs, lettuce and tomatoes. Yeah, I forgot my bacon. I just totally forgot about it. Cupcake Butter. I gained about 2 pounds watching your burger. I'm going to have to make one. I hope I didn't gain 2 pounds. The Life of Unique. Hello, here supporting, watching full video, and that looks good. Thank you for watching the full video. I appreciate it. Miss L.A. Logan. Looks delicious like always. I think this is what we will have for dinner. Keep shining, lady. All right, Miss L.A. Logan. Yeah, guys, she has a channel. She's an author. Check her out. Great books. I bought one. It's interesting. I'm a slow reader, but hey, I'm getting there, Miss L.A. Logan. She Radiance. I'm on my way, Phil. It looks delicious, girl. Come on, have some of these crab legs. You eat, you eat seafood? Positive praise promoter. The food looks delicious. That pop up again. Winnie Lee, you never fail. You did it again with that deliciousness. Please ship me a plate of your leftovers. I love your backdrop and your presentation. My. Well, I hope you liked tonight's video as well. Thank you, Miss Winnie. Tiantia Pointer. Hello, been busy today, but I had to watch. You cook your great food. Yummy. Do tell Miss Thing. I'll take the other half of that burger. It looks delicious. Okay. Julia Martin, you are truly making my mouth water. Haven't had one in a while, but after watching this video, I will soon with purple onions. Keep on cooking, Philly Phil. I'm going to keep on cooking in the kitchen. B Sugar 100. Hey, Philly Phil, how you doing? That's what she said. I'm doing good, girl. How are you doing? That homemade burger and fries look so good. I'll take the other half off your hands. As a matter of fact, I was knocking on the door. She was knocking on the door, but you didn't hear me. I hear you knocking, but you can't come in. Laugh out loud. I've been meaning to tell you your granddaughter is absolutely gorgeous. Have a blessed day. Thank you. That's little Zion. Helen S. Hello, gang. Miss Philip Phil. That was the most juicy looking burger. It was about 7 views in, and I was in the bed for the night when I logged in on my phone, but I didn't know how to do the comments. I had to use my computer. You got me spoiled. I sure would have grabbed the other half of the burger when you offered it, but I just couldn't reach through the screen. I'm getting my orders in. Just wait. Okay. Cupcake butter again. Hello, Little Rock. Back in at it again. Looks good. She Radiance. Hello, Philip Phil and EWPPG. Ain't nothing like a homemade burger and fries. It's the best. Keep cooking in the kitchen. Popped up again. April Lee. Philip Phil, you are very pretty. Oh. Excuse me. Let me read that again. April Lee. Philip Phil, you are very pretty. And that burger and fries look appetizing. Thank you. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm in this house. I can't go nowhere. Hey, you know what? I'm just entertaining myself. Miss T.I. EWPPG, there's nothing in the world better than a big, fat, juicy homemade burger and fries. Great combo. Keep cooking in the kitchen. And she put the music symbols. April Lee threw me off. She told me how pretty I was. But thank you, girl. Shoot, I need to hear that every now and then. All right, guys, let me quit acting silly. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the king crab legs. Hey, I'm going to get some sauce in stock. I got to make up a couple more batches and get it in stock and get it frozen and be ready to ship for you guys. I'm going to make up a bunch of mayo because that's mainly what everyone orders. Okay, is this anyone's first time stopping by the channel? If it is, honey, you picked a good old night. It's Friday night, okay? You know what I need? I wish I could play some music in the background. I need you to like this video. Now hit that subscribe button, okay? Then go back and leave a comment. Ring that bell on that subscribe button. Hit it again. Turn on your post notifications. Now make sure you share this video. Share. It's better to share. Share it. Let everybody know what we're doing over here. Oh, these lights got me hot. All right. As I always say, you never know what I'll be cooking, what I'll be doing, who I'll have over here. Pretty soon, they coming back. You just never know. But one thing you can always count on, guys, what I say, you always welcome in Philip Phil's kitchen. And what we be doing, we be cooking in the kitchen. Okay, guys, I'm going to go live tomorrow, Saturday. I'm going to go live and make a pecan pie. Why not? You know, I'm going to be stuck in this house again. I might as well bake something. I baked cookies last weekend. So we're going to make, I'm going to show y'all how to make my pecan pie. Quick, simple, and easy. All right? All right. You guys have a good night, okay? Talk to y'all later. Oh, got all these king crab legs I got left. See y'all later.